Hello and welcome to another exciting and informative video by UPlantTube. In this video, we will be seeing how quickly asparagus spears grow, as we will measure them as soon as they pop out of the ground and until they are ready to be harvested. How many centimeters can asparagus grow in a day? Watch the video to the end to find out. This is what you have been waiting for: harvesting asparagus time. You need to cut the spears before the tips start to open up to form asparagus ferns. When the tips open up, a substance called lignin is produced, which makes the bottom part of the stalk tougher. This is the plant's way of preparing the stalks to bear the weight of the ferns. You want to cut the spears before they reach this stage. You will get to learn how tall your spears get before they start to open up, but often when it's warm it will be a case of checking and cutting asparagus spears every day. A typical height might be 6 to 11 inches or 15 to 27 centimeters. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell to receive future amazing informative videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.